Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change user account control settings in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To change user account control, UAC, settings in Windows 10, follow these steps. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel. Then select it from the search results. In the Control Panel, go to System and Security. Click on Security and Maintenance. On the left-hand side, select Change User Account Control Settings. You'll see a slider with 4 levels of notification settings. Always Notify alerts you for all changes, including those you make yourself. Notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. Default alerts you when apps make changes, but not for your own actions. Notify me only when apps try to make changes. Do not dim my desktop, similar to the default but without dimming the screen. Never Notify disables all notifications, not recommended for security reasons. Move the slider to your desired level and click OK. If prompted, enter your administrator password or confirm the changes. This process helps you control how often you're notified about changes to your system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.